Molweni bafundi, namkelekile kwakhona eklasini yam yesiXhosa. Hi students, welcome again to my Xhosa class. In today's video we're going to look at noun classes. This is something that when people find out about them they usually dread having to learn it, and they fear that Xhosa or Zulu are just way too complicated because of these noun classes. So I hope that by the end of this video you will come to realize that they are not as complicated and unlearnable as they may seem, but that they are quite intuitive and that they are what make Xhosa and Zulu so smooth and so beautiful in sound, due to the alliteration that these noun classes provide. I don't believe that it is necessary to learn how the noun classes work from complicated tables such as these. I put this table together and it helps me as a form of reference, but you do not need to learn either the number of the noun class or all the different concords that belong to that noun class. I think it's much better to just delve into the language, into natural language, and get used to phrases and how these noun classes work in their context. So the first noun class starts with I, and many borrowed words belong to this noun class. If you don't have a prefix for a borrowed word, you can't use it in Xhosa or in Zulu. It wouldn't be grammatical. That's why all borrowed words have to get some or other prefix to belong to one of the noun classes. So with imali, meaning money, we have Iphi imali yam, where is my money, or literally it is, where, money of mine. Ndiyayikhangela, I am looking for it. I am it looking for. Ndiyayikhangela. Imali yam yonke iphelile, all of my money is finished. The money of mine, all of it, it is finished. Iphelile. Uyibonile imali yam, did you see my money? Literally, it saw the money of mine. Nansi imali yakho, here is your money. Nansi means here it is, and the tsi ending is for this class with I. Nansi imali yakho, here it is, the money of yours. Another noun in the same class, imoto, the motor car, the car. Iphi imoto yam, where is my car? Ndiyayikhangela, I am looking for it. Imoto yam yona yonke imdaka. All of my car is dirty, my whole car is dirty. Yona is the emphatic pronoun for this class, so as for it, as for my car, yona, yonke imdaka, it is all dirty. Again, the I here is it is dirty, it's the subject for this class. Uyibonile imoto yam, did you see my car? It saw the car of mine. Nansi imoto yakho, here it is, your car. Isitshixo, the key. This noun class has si in its stem, and we have here siphi isitshixo sam. It is where? The key of mine. Ndiyasikhangela, I am looking for it. Notice that the genitive is always going to have a in it. The beginning of it, the consonant before a, is what we derive from the stem of this noun class, but it's always going to have a sound. So it is where, the key of mine, I am looking for it. Isitshixo sam sinzima, my key is heavy. The key of mine, it is heavy. Sinzima. Usibonile isitshixo sam, did you see my key? It saw the key of mine. Nasi isitshixo sakho, here is your key. Now, many noun classes have a corresponding plural noun class. So in this case we have Isi, which is the plural for Isi noun classes, as well as the I, imoto, etc. Izinja, dogs. Ziphi izinja zam. Where are my dogs? They are where? The dogs of mine. Ndiyazikhangela. I am looking for them. Izinja zam zona zonke ziyakhonkotha. As for my dogs, they are all barking. So the dogs of mine, as for them, zona, zonke, all of them, ziyakhonkotha. They are barking. Uzibonile izinja zam. Did you see them, my dogs? Nazi izinja zakho. Here are your dogs. Imoto is the same class, so if it doesn't start with Isi, it starts with E. Imoto are cars. Ziphi imoto zam. Where are my cars? Ndiyazikhangela. I am looking for them. Imoto zam zona zonke zimdaka. As for them, my cars, they are all dirty. Uzibonile imoto zam. Did you see them? Another noun class starts with and generally refers to people. So umntwana is the little person, i.e. the child. Umntwana. Uphi umntwana wam. Where is my child? Or he is where, the child of mine. Ndiyamkhangela. I am looking for him or I am looking for her. Umntwana wam ufuna ukutya. My child wants to eat. Umbonile umntwana wam. Did you see him or her? The child of mine. Nanku umntwana wakho. Here is your child. Abantwana, the children. Baphi abantwana bam. They are where, my children. Ndiyabakhangela. I am looking for them. Abantwana bam bona bonke bafuna ukutya. All of my children, they want to eat. As for them, bona, the emphatic pronoun with aba. Ubabonile abantwana bam. Did you see them, my children? Naba abantwana bakho. Here they are, your children. This noun class starts with I or with ili. In some cases, you don't hear the ili anymore. So, for instance, ikaya means home. I imagine that in Proto-Bantu, there was still a li in this word, but you hear it in the other words that prefix this l sound. Liphi ikaya lam. Where is my home? Or it is where, the home of mine. Ndiyalikhangela. I am looking for it. Ikaya lam lona lonke limdaka. As for my home, it is completely dirty. Lona, it, from this noun class. Ulibonile ikaya lam. Did you see it? Did you see my home? Nali ikaya lako. Here it is, your home. The plural of that noun class starts with ama. Amakaya would be homes. Aphi amakaya am. Where are my homes? Ndiyawakhangela. I am looking for them. Amakaya am wona wonke athengisiwe. All of my homes were sold. As for my homes, all of them athengisiwe. They were sold. Uwabonile amakaya am. Did you see them, my homes? Nanga amakaya akho. Here they are, the homes of yours. Some singular nouns also fall in this class, starting with ama. For instance, amanzi, meaning water. Aphi amanzi am. Where is my water? Ndiyawakhangela. I am looking for it. Amanzi am acocekile. My water, it is clean. Acocekile. Uwabonile amanzi am. Did you see it, my water? Nanga amanzi akho. Here it is, your water. Another noun class starts with but doesn't refer to people. This includes words such as umti, a tree. Uphi umti wam. Where is my tree? Ndiyawukhangela. I am looking for it. Umti wona wonke umanzi. As for my tree, as for it, all of it is wet. Umanzi. Ububonile umti wam. Did you see it, my tree? Nangu umti wako. Here it is, your tree. The plural of that noun class would be imi, imiti, meaning trees. Ipi imiti yam. Where is my tree? Where are my trees? It's confusing because we have the I noun class that refers to singular nouns, and in this case, imi is plural noun, but has the same prefixes for all the cases. Ipi imiti yam, where are my trees? Ndiyayikhangela, I am looking for them. Imiti yam yona yonke yimanzi. As for my trees, they are all wet. Uyibonile imiti yam. You them saw. Did you see them, my trees? Nansi imiti yako. Here are your trees. Here we have another noun class starting with u, but with the lu sound in it. So sometimes we have the lu in the actual stem of the word. Uluantle. Luantle means the ocean or the sea. Another noun with the same beginning would be ulwimi, the language. So the prefix is u, but you have the lu sound in the word itself. Lunjani ulwantle lwasekapa. How is the sea in Cape Town or in the Cape? It is how the sea at the Cape. Ndiyalukumbula, I miss it, the sea. Luhle olulwantle. It is pretty, it is beautiful. Olulwantle, this ocean, this sea. Ulubonile ulwantle lona lonke. Did you see it? All of the sea. As for it, this is just the emphatic pronoun from this noun class. And then nalu ulwantle. Here it is, the sea. Another noun class generally refers to verbs that have been nominalized, turned into nouns. For instance, ukutya, to eat, or food. Kunjani ukutya kwasekapa. It is how the food in the Cape. Ndiyakukumbula, I miss it. Kumnandi okukutya. It is nice, this food. Ukubonile ukutya kwam. Did you see my food? Naku ukutya kwako. Here is your food. Noun class starting with ubu refers to general things, abstract things, such as winter, ubusika, the season of cutting. Bunjani ubusika basekapa. How is winter in the Cape? It is how the winter in the Cape. Ndiyabukumbula, I miss it. Buhle obubusika. It is nice this winter. Ububonile ubusika bona bonke. Did you see all of it, the winter? Nabu ubusika. Here is the winter. This is the same noun class. It doesn't always start with ubu. For instance, ubomi, which means life. Bunjani ubomi bako basekapa. How is your life in Cape Town or in the Cape? Bushle ubomi bam basekapa. It is good, the life of mine in the Cape. Ubomi bam bona bonke buzele zintsikelelo. My whole life is full of blessings. The life of mine, as for it, all of it, it is full buzele zintsikelelo, by blessings. Enkosi.